If you're an email marketer, probably you have sent thousands of emails, if not million, and sometimes you either made a typo or you put the wrong link, right? I know you. In order to fix that, we are introducing the new link fixer feature at Zootools. Even if you sent 1 million emails and the people are already receiving that in their inboxes, you can change on the go at any time every single link of that email. So in this case, I just sent this email that is a product announcement, like email automations are back, and I added a couple of links here. The problem is that with traditional and old-fashioned email marketing tools, if you mess up, you mess up. With Zootools, we fix that. So you just go here within the links tab, click on any of the links that you added to the email. So in this case, for example, this one, and you can change this on the go. So instead of Zootools.ai, maybe I just want to redirect people to google.com. You do that, and instantly, every single email, when they click, it will redirect it to google.com, every link. Now, of course, I will just roll it back and just put the actual link. And that applies to everything. If you are adding dynamic links, so unsubscribe URLs and things like that, of course, those things you cannot change because those are ones that we generate one by one for every customer. So this only applies to the regular links. But still, that's crazy. There's nobody else that offers this. I'm just excited for you to try this out. I'm excited for you to share feedback. If you want more innovations like this, let me know in the comments what else should we ship. And yeah, don't forget to go to Zootools.ai, the simplest email marketing tool that prints money for you. Also, we have automations and many more cool features about the link fixer. So